Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious bhindi fry. First, select fresh, tender okra pods. It's crucial to wash them thoroughly and then dry them completely using a kitchen towel or air drying for at least 30 minutes. This step prevents any sliminess. Next, trim both ends of each okra pod, then slice them into uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick. This preparation ensures even cooking and a perfect texture. Now that your okra is prepped, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a wide, non-stick pan or kadaai over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced okra. Try to spread it in a single layer for best results. Sauté the okra for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring gently every few minutes until it becomes tender and slightly crisp. This initial sautéing is key for texture. With the okra tender, it's time to infuse it with incredible flavor. Reduce the heat to low. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Then, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Don't forget to add salt to your taste. Mix all these aromatic spices thoroughly with the okra, ensuring every piece is coated beautifully. Continue cooking the bhindi fry on low heat for another 5 to 7 minutes. This allows all the wonderful spices to meld together perfectly, creating a rich and harmonious flavor. Once done, turn off the heat. For a burst of freshness, garnish your bhindi fry generously with freshly chopped cilantro. Serve this delightful dish hot alongside warm roti, naan, or steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy your homemade bhindi fry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.